up, Airsoft Nation? I'm Julius from Umbrella Armory EU, and I'm here with Nimrod Tactical with a first glance at the new motor. Let's talk about that in a second. Last year they gave us that brushed motor, the juicy one that had a really good pinion gear, that was cool, that had neodymium magnets that were able to keep up with the high temperatures, exhaust ports on the bottom, pretty much everything you'd want in a really good AEG motor. But then they thought, how can we do better? And they were not just thinking, how can we do better? They were thinking, how can we do better than anything that's out there already? And they did this. And they did something that no one expected. They had the ability to change the speed, which is insane for us, obviously, because we're a sucker for things that are better than what was there before. So now we got something that enables us to change the speed on the fly and enables you to change, like the RPS of your gun when you're at a certain field. So that means that you're going to be field legal if you need to be at a lower RPS, for example, just by the switch of a button. And we no longer need to get different speeds of motors. We can now get one motor in one gun, transfer it over to another, and have a completely different build just from one motor. And I think that really makes it worth it. Just as a comparison, obviously, these brushed motors get really hot, they draw a lot of amperage, and obviously they can't give you the same amount of performance. So you're thinking, is it really worth to get like a 2 or 3 times as expensive motor? And my personal opinion is yes, because you're gonna want to change your speed, you're gonna want to not have your hand melt just because your motor gets like 150 degrees or something like that. So I think what Nimrod did here with this brushless motor is going to change the game. So you're gonna see this on umbrella builds in the future. Obviously, we already had the Blackbird on there. Now we're gonna see this one as well. So make sure to have an eye out for this. It's gonna change your game.